Hello everybody, my name is Jarek and welcome to my YouTube channel Yaropol80. Today I'm stopping by at a very interesting place. You'll have a chance to see one of the biggest collection of shells, all kinds of seashells. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this place. Thank you very much for your support, your likes and comments, and I wish you all the best. And I just stopped by at this beautiful shop. You can see many different types of shells, seashells that were found here in Florida. They're very beautiful and elegant.
Knelt to pray today, but no one was listening anymore. Do I need to fade away or stay here laying down on the floor? I want to know if you'll be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Can you help me find a way? Where is the God that I need? Can I get some help today? Lord, help me with the blood that I bleed. I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Anxiety taking over me, I can't be the only one left. No, society breaking up on me, I just wanna be felt and taken to Neverland. I just need to get away.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze.